In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable IMAP settings in Zoho Mail for smoother and more efficient email management. Whether you're setting up a new email client or ensuring that all your devices are in sync, enabling IMAP is a key step in managing your emails seamlessly across platforms. So, let's get started. First things first, open up your web browser and navigate to Zoho Mail's website by typing in https mail.zoho.com. After the page loads, you'll want to log into your account. If you haven't logged in for a while, you might need to enter your username and password, so make sure those are handy. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll notice a gear icon which represents your settings menu. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This will open up the settings panel where you can fine-tune various aspects of your Zoho Mail experience. Within this settings menu, search for an option labeled Mail Settings. It's here where you'll find controls that let you manage your mail accounts and some advanced features. Click on Mail Accounts and IMAP. This section is dedicated to configuring how your email account interacts with external mail clients and services. Next, scroll down until you see a section titled IMAP Access. IMAP, or Internet Message Access Protocol, is crucial for those who want their emails synced across multiple devices such as smartphones, tablets, and computers. It's the feature that allows changes you make in your email client, like marking an email as read, to be reflected across all your devices. Look for the toggle switch next to the Enable IMAP option. If it's not already enabled, go ahead and click the toggle to turn on IMAP. You should see the switch change color or slide to the opposite position, confirming that it's now active. Finally, if enabling IMAP prompts a save option, click on Save to confirm your changes. This step may not always appear, but if it does, it ensures that your settings have been successfully updated. Once you've done this, congratulations, you've successfully enabled IMAP in Zoho Mail. Now, you're ready to connect your email to any IMAP-compatible device or email client, ensuring that your messages stay synchronized, no matter where or how you view them. If you have any issues or additional questions, Zoho's support documentation can be very helpful, or you can reach out to their customer service. But for now, you should be all set. I hope this guide has made this process clear and straightforward. Thanks for watching, and have a great day with a more streamlined email experience.